The 2025 Mahindra XUV700 Hybrid has finally arrived, and it's already making waves in the world of SUVs. Today on Car Culture, we're diving into what makes this hybrid SUV a game changer, not just for Mahindra, but for the entire midsize SUV segment. Mahindra has taken a bold step by introducing hybrid technology into one of its most popular models. The XUV700 was already a strong performer, but the 2025 hybrid version adds efficiency and refinement without losing the punchy performance it's known for. This move shows Mahindra's commitment to future-ready mobility, where power meets sustainability. Let's start with the powertrain. The 2025 XUV700 Hybrid is powered by a 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined output of around 190 horsepower and 380 Nm of torque. That's more than enough to give this SUV a confident edge on highways and excellent overtaking capability. The hybrid system uses a self-charging setup, meaning it doesn't require a plug-in. Regenerative braking and smart energy management allow the battery to recharge while driving, improving overall efficiency. The transmission is handled by a smooth 6-speed automatic gearbox, which complements the hybrid system perfectly. Gear changes are seamless, and the transition between electric and petrol power is almost unnoticeable. Whether you're driving through city traffic or cruising down open roads, the hybrid XUV700 adapts quickly and delivers a refined experience. Fuel efficiency has always been a talking point with SUVs, and the XUV700 Hybrid addresses that concern directly. Mahindra claims a mileage of around 20 to 22 km per liter, depending on driving conditions. That's a major improvement over its purely petrol counterpart, making it a strong contender for buyers who want both performance and efficiency. Now let's talk about design. The 2025 XUV700 Hybrid carries forward the same bold and muscular look that made the original model stand out. But there are subtle changes to highlight its hybrid identity. A slightly reworked front grille, blue accents around the logo, and a new hybrid badge on the tailgate help set it apart. The LED headlights are sharper and more aggressive, and the signature DRLs continue to give the XUV700 a distinctive road presence. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice new dual-tone alloy wheels that add a fresh touch. The stance remains tall and confident, with well-defined character lines running along the body. Roof rails, flush door handles, and a floating roof design continue to give it a modern and premium vibe. Step inside and you're welcomed by a cabin that blends technology with comfort. The twin 10.25-inch screens dominate the dashboard, one for the digital instrument cluster and the other for the infotainment system. The interface is clean, fast, and packed with features including Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, and a voice assistant that responds to natural commands. The quality of materials has also seen a noticeable upgrade. Soft touch plastics, leatherette seats, and brushed aluminum accents contribute to a cabin that feels upscale and thoughtfully designed. The seats are well contoured and supportive, especially in the front row. Second-row passengers get plenty of legroom and headroom, and there's even an optional third row for those who need more seating. In terms of features, the XUV700 Hybrid is loaded. You get a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control, ventilated seats, wireless charging, a 12-speaker Sony audio system, and even an air purifier. But what truly impresses is the ADAS suite. Mahindra has improved it further with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features not only add convenience but also boost safety, which is becoming a priority for modern buyers. Speaking of safety, the XUV700 Hybrid comes with 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, hill hold assist, and a 360-degree camera. The structure is built on Mahindra's global SUV platform and meets high crash safety standards, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Driving the XUV700 Hybrid feels different in the best way. At low speeds, it can operate purely on electric power, which means silent and smooth progress in traffic. Step on the throttle, and the petrol engine kicks in seamlessly. The combined power gives it quick acceleration, and the suspension setup balances comfort and control impressively well. Road bumps are absorbed without fuss, and body roll is minimal, even during quick lane changes or cornering. For enthusiasts, there are multiple drive modes like Zip, Zap, and Zoom. These adjust the steering response, throttle sensitivity, and hybrid system behavior. Whether you're looking to save fuel or enjoy a spirited drive, there's a mode that suits your style. Pricing for the 2025 Mahindra XUV700 Hybrid is expected to start around 22 to 25 lakh rupees, depending on the variant and options. That places it competitively against other hybrid SUVs in the market, while still offering more features and better performance. Mahindra is clearly aiming to disrupt the hybrid space with a product that feels premium but remains accessible. To sum it up, the 2025 Mahindra XUV700 Hybrid is more than just an upgrade, it's a statement. It offers the power and presence of an SUV with the efficiency and refinement of a modern hybrid. With its cutting-edge features, strong performance, and eco-conscious engineering, this is one SUV that truly brings the best of both worlds. If you're looking for a family SUV that's future-ready without compromising on style or power, the XUV700 Hybrid should definitely be on your list. That's it for today's deep dive. This is Car Culture, and we'll catch you in the next one with more automotive insights.